This video is the second part of the DIY Dolly Assemble series. Before you begin, make sure that you have all your electronics, parts and tools. Step 1. Installing the wheel spacers. Mount the spacers to the main body with M2 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Try to screw as tight as possible. Now repeat this process for the other side. Check your spacers to be sure all your screws are tight. Step 2. Install the servo motors. Insert the servo motor into the main body as shown. The servo motor will not be seated on the body. Press downward until you hear a click. The other side servo should be installed as before. Once again, press downward until you hear a click. Be sure to align the two servo motors to the main body. Step 3. Install the drive motors. Slide the motor to the main body and secure with two M1.6 screws. Repeat this process to install the second drive motor. Step 4. Install the I/O control board. Insert the I/O board into the main body and secure with four 6mm screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Step 5. Install the external connection spacers. Place the hexagon spacers into the main body. Close spacer holes with hexagon caps. Make sure that both caps are in line with the body surface. Step 6. Install the cooling fan. Align the fan to the lid as shown and secure with two 10mm screws. Be sure to cross the fan connector to the other side before installing the fan lid. Likewise, move the servo motor connectors over to the other side. Align cables according to their positions. Push fan lid and secure with two 6mm screws. Step 7. Install the speakers. Align the speaker to the holders and snap into place. Be sure your speaker cables are pointed downward. Snap the other speaker into place. Step 8. Arm assembly. Before assembling, ensure that you have the right pieces as shown. Mount the servo arm to the arm and secure with a 4mm screw. Insert the arm PCB, then insert the flat cable to the servo arm as shown. Slide the lid into the arm and secure with a 4mm screw. Repeat this process to do it for the other side. Once again, make sure you have the correct pieces before assembling. As an option, you can insert the flat cable after securing the lid. Step 9. Bumper assembly. Align the PCB to the bumper as shown and snap into place. Make sure that you have mounted the PCB correctly before screw. Now secure with a 4mm screw. Congratulations, the first part of the assembly is complete.